Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Descript in 5 ways. So let's get started. So discover the endless possibilities with Descript. Here are 5 remarkable ways to harness its power. Way number 1. Launch your podcasting journey effortlessly. Record, edit, mix, and collaborate. Even if you are new to this, Descript empowers you. Way 2. Distance won't hinder collaboration. Record guests from anywhere. Learn to connect Zoom or Skype calls seamlessly with Descript. Way 3. Organization made smarter. Automatically transcribe your files for a seamless workflow. Search, edit, and access your entire project with ease. Way number 4. Revolutionize your meeting notes. Let Descript do the work. Share projects and provide collaborators with searchable audio and notes. Way number 5. Transcribe Zoom calls effortlessly. And here's a bonus. Optimize sound quality. It's all about capturing every detail. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.